How to add watermark in CapCut. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open CapCut on your phone. Now you want to go ahead and tap on New Project and tap on Stock Videos. Now select any of the screens right here and then tap on Add, that is on the bottom right corner. As you do that, you want to add a text here. You can tap on the text that is on the bottom. Now type something that you want to put as watermark and you can edit it as you want. Now put the opacity up to 50, then tap on tick mark. Now tap on 1080p and then put the resolution to the very highest. After that, you want to import this video. For that, tap on the arrow facing upwards and it will be exported. Now start new project, select the video, and now you want to tap on overlay. Tap on add overlay, and now you want to add the video that you have just exported from CapCut. Now you want to tap on bind and tap on filter and then tap on tick mark, and you can place this watermark wherever you want it on the video. Then tap on export, and that is how you can add watermark in CapCut. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.